Hello everyone, my name is Jose Rivas and this is IEOR190G, and for this week's assignment I'm going to be talking about obviousness. And in obviousness, I'm going to be explaining about how a person that is not an expert like you and I can easily tell how an inventor took a patent, basically just added fancy wording and try and patent it themselves. Basically created a new patent based on prior art that was already there. So in order to analyze how there was already prior art in the patent that I am talking about, it should not have been patentable. I'm going to briefly state two of the claims from each of the patents. One, which is the one I have been analyzing all semester, and the other one is based on the prior art that I found. So the claim that I have been working on all semester is it's a patent 7589628, and it was issued September 15, 2009 and filed March 9, 2006. The name of this patent is System and Method for Providing Location-Based Information to Mobile Consumers. And let me just talk about two claims real quick before I present the prior art. So claim number one is a method of providing information to a user using a device where the information pertains to people, places, and things having attributes that match explicit preferences of a user and are within a desired proximity to a location associated with the user. The method comprising the steps of determining the location of a user, notifying the user of all of the at least one of the people, places, and things that match the user's explicit preferences and are within the desired proximity to the user's location. Providing access to resource information about the people, places, and things that match the user's explicit preferences and displaying the resources information upon request by user. So that's some of the things that claim number one. Another claim, it's claim number 15, and it states a location-based and preference-based matching system for notifying a user about people, places, and things having attributes that match preferences of the user and are within a desired proximity to a location associated with the user. The system comprising of means for comparing the user preferences and the attribute profiles of the people, places, and things to determine whether there are any matches within the desired proximity of the location of the user. Means for listing all of the matches, if any, of the output means, and means for providing access to resource information of the matches. Now, based on this, and looking at the prior art, I can obviously tell that this should not have been patentable. Let me show you why. So the other patent that I found was patent 0023666, and the name of it is Location-Based Service Provider, and it was filed March 19, 2003 and issued February 5, 2004. So obviously it was even issued before my patent was filed, and the name of it is Location-Based Service Provider, and one of the claims is an integrated system for providing geographical locations-based services to clients. The system comprising of a plurality of response modules registered with the routing manager for handling one or more types of service requests. The service requests including obtaining one or more records from a geocode corresponding to an address corresponding to a geocode, a route to a destination, a position for a mobile device, identity of a location, one or more geographic features near a location, and a person profile data. And that's claim number one. And claim number 9 on this patent is the system of claim 8, wherein the at least one geographic feature is an address of a location-based information system server associated with a user location, and the location-based information system server also provides personalization data as part of a person profile service. So basically, what I feel is that the inventors of my patent basically just took something similar to what is this patent in the prior art and basically just added some fancy wording. Therefore, I believe that it was not patentable based on obviousness. So on my next video, I will rebuttal this and basically talk about why it was patentable. Until then, I'll see you next time.